Few insects cause as much discomfort as cockroaches. They appear uninvited, sneak into kitchens, bathrooms, and storage rooms, and leave behind an impression of dirt and insecurity. The biggest problem is not only that they look unpleasant, but also that they can carry bacteria and pathogens onto food and surfaces we use every day. For that reason, their presence in a home should never be ignored. While there are plenty of chemical products available on the market, they are often expensive, have a strong, unpleasant smell, and over time can even harm the health of family members or pets. Fortunately, there are natural ways to deal with this problem. And the best part is that the ingredients are usually already in your kitchen. In the following lines, I'll share 2 proven recipes that are effective and eco-friendly. Before you try them, it's important to take one essential step. Remove all food scraps and clean the space thoroughly. Cockroaches are incredibly resilient and can survive for weeks without food, but as long as they have access to crumbs or leftovers, they will keep coming back to the same places. For the first mixture, you'll need a glass of water, about 300 milliliters, and 3 natural yet powerful ingredients. The first is half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic is well known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, and the sulfur compounds it contains release a strong odor that confuses and disorients cockroaches. Their sense of smell is extremely developed and crucial for finding food, so when it gets disrupted, they are forced to leave the area. Next, add about 100 milliliters of lemon juice. Lemon is a natural antiseptic. Its acidity destroys many microorganisms, and its sharp citrus aroma acts as a strong repellent. On top of that, lemon juice removes the greasy trails cockroaches leave behind, which prevents them from finding their way back to the same spot. This way, we are not only driving them away, but also breaking their established paths. Friends, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Thank you. The third ingredient is a few drops of peppermint essential oil or even a strong mint tea. While people usually find the scent refreshing and pleasant, cockroaches find it extremely irritating. Menthol, the main active compound in peppermint, is so unpleasant for them that they'll do anything to avoid treated areas. At the same time, peppermint oil has mild disinfecting properties, giving the space an extra layer of cleanliness. Once all the ingredients are combined, let the mixture sit for a few hours so the water can fully absorb the aromas and active compounds. Then strain it and, if necessary, dilute with a bit more water. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle and apply it around the kitchen, bathroom, under the sink, or behind the fridge, basically anywhere cockroaches are most active. The key to success is persistence, so it's recommended to repeat the treatment daily until the problem is noticeably reduced. In addition to this liquid spray, there's another very practical recipe in the form of a bait. You'll need 1 teaspoon of sugar, the same amount of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of dry yeast. The sugar acts as bait because cockroaches can't resist its smell and taste. Once they eat it, they also ingest the baking soda, which causes gas to build up in their digestive system. Since cockroaches cannot release these gases, the process becomes lethal to them. The dry yeast enhances the effect because during fermentation, it produces more gas, making the mixture even more effective. It's best to spread this bait on small plates or even in jar lids and place them in the corners of rooms, behind cabinets, or other hidden spots where you've noticed cockroach activity. The advantage of this method is that it works quietly and gradually while being completely safe for family members. Friends, make sure to check out our next video on the screen. Thank you and cheers.